I hear the sound of a mighty rushing wind, and it's closer now than it's ever been. I can almost hear the trumpet as Gabriel sounds the chord. Oh, it won't be long at the midnight cry. We'll be going home when Jesus steps out on a cloud to call his children. The dead in Christ shall rise to meet him in the air. And there's that remain shall be quickly changed. Praise God, they all shall be changed. Oh, at the midnight cry, we'll be going home. We'll be going home. I look around me, I see prophecies fulfilling. I see the signs of the times every day, everywhere. They're appearing everywhere. I can almost hear the Father as he says, "Son, won't you go now and get my children?" At the twinkling of an eye, at the midnight cry, the bride of Christ shall rise. And when Jesus steps out on a cloud to call his children, the dead in Christ shall rise to meet him in the air. And those that remain shall be quickly changed. They all shall be changed. At the twinkling of an eye, at the midnight cry, we'll be going home. We'll be going home. I'll be singing